Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here, and now you have the ability to tip on your invoices as an end user. So we can set up like a tipping option essentially as part of the checkout. And yeah, in case you didn't know, there's a full invoicing feature on Funneltopia, but more specifically on the tipping, you can set it up under payments, invoices, and then if you go to settings, I think it was under payment settings. Yeah, you can allow tip payments over here and then obviously put in the tipping values. And the way these will show up in the checkout, right? There will be a checkout once they go through the invoice, and this will be another additional field, and they will have like the radio buttons. They can pick one. There will be none, other, and then in this case, 5, 10, or 15, right? You can add different ones. 25, for example, right? 100, whatever it is. You can add them here. So this is one place where you can edit them. And also another one is if you actually click on the invoice, let's go on in here and click on the three dots, manage tips, right? There's the usual, the thing they're paying for, but also we can add a tip. So let's toggle the switch, put in the options. Let's do, okay. So let's do 5, 15, 25. All right, so let's do that. We can also update default settings, but in this case, we're not going to do it. Save, and as I said before, as part of the checkout, it's gonna add the additional option to tip, and there's like an other option as well that they can pick that. They can put in their own number. So this is a cool additional feature. Make sure to go check it out, especially if you're doing invoices. And obviously, when if you ever need to refund the amount, you can refund the full amount, including the tip. There's no exclusions for right. You can just refund the whole amount basically. So that's no problem as well, in case you were wondering. But yes, if you have any questions, click on down here, 24/7 chat support as per usual. And yeah, if you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.